Hi, I'm here back with another video today, and this video is about your laminate flooring that has a gap in it. Sometimes it's come a little gap. So today we are going to show you about 3 tips and tricks. And if you like my video, subscribe and share it, and let's do it. So we got this gap on the laminate flooring, and these gaps are kind of common in the basement because kids playing in the basement, and these gaps come when you install newly, because basement sometimes has a moisture and sometimes because of concrete, right? So that's why these gap coming. So to fix these gap, as I said that I'll show you 3 tips and tricks. They're very easy. I think we can do it easily, and we can get the stuff from home. So the first tip that I have, I'm going to show you, which is we can use just kicking it. But before kicking it, it's very important. What we do, we will just clean inside. There's some dirt, some debris inside, and some the dust inside. So first of all, we have to clean it, and in order to clean it, we're going to use a vacuum. So I got my vacuum, and it's very simple. So I got my the small nozzle. So this nozzle, I can clean it, and I'm gonna turn my vacuum on. So I'm gonna clean it first, and I go like very slowly, and I'm trying to clean it. So the cleaning part is done, and we want to double check it if there's anything stuck inside, because if the thing's stuck inside, they're not gonna join closely. So let's go do the next part. Alright, so first trick is I'm just gonna kick it. So I just kick it, sometimes if it works, right? So it works sometimes. You can see that the joint is pretty tight, and this also worked, and a lot of time it doesn't work because sometimes you have vinyl planks, and sometimes you have this is a laminate flooring. So for laminate flooring and a vinyl plank, this does work. So the second trick is we're using this suction cup, and we can easily buy from a local store, $4 or $5. Or also you can use one of the plunger that you use for the kitchen sink. That also help. So this suction cup is very easy to use. It has like one handle here. So I'll just put it on it, and then I push it down, and then I just kind of bring it up. So to start with, I'm gonna tie it towards this side, and then it's locked. Now this is a fully locked. And then what I'm gonna do, I have my mallet. So from my mallet, I can just do a slowly hit, and you can see the floor is moving, and it's pretty tight. And you can see here, it's pretty tight. You still can see little line there. This is kind of old flooring, and this basement is under renovation, and that's why you can see a little line here. But if the floor is in a good condition, then you won't even see the line here. Okay, so my third tip is that I have here. I have a double-sided tape. It has a thickness both sides, and this tape we can buy from a local store. Well, in my case, we had it in the garage sitting for quite a while. And also need a piece of 2x4 or 2x3 or whatever, kind of 1 feet or 12-inch or 18-inch piece. And what I'm gonna do, I take the tape, and then I'm gonna stick my tape from here to kind of here, and then I'm going to use this tape. Make sure you use your knife carefully. I'm gonna cut the tape here. And now I need that piece, and then I'm gonna take the one layer off, Okay, take that off, and then I will turn this over here, and then I'm gonna push it a little bit. So I just want to make sure that it stick nicely, so it will give me a nice reinforcement. So once done this one, and then I'm take my mallet again, and I'm just gonna put my feet on top. So basically I put my feet like this, and then I'm doing backward, and I'm gonna do slowly tap tap. I'm slowly tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, and actually it's good. So this time actually is pretty tight. You can see that it's pretty nice. Yeah, so just take it back slowly, and I'll take this away. And because the tape is very fresh, and I'm just gonna take gently the tape away, and it's coming nicely. There you go. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it's very nice finish, and this is the way we can fix our laminate flooring. And we can't fix hardwood flooring in this way, but laminate flooring and the vinyl flooring, these tips and tricks are best way, economical way, because we don't want to call some more professional to spend more money. So hopefully these tips and tricks gonna help you. And a lot of time you can find the stuff from your garage kicking around here and there. Just a little bit, browse a little more videos, and you will find it the solution. Hope you like my these three tips. And yeah, again, if you like my video, make sure subscribe and share. And if you have any comments, just drop in the comment box. Until, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.